Hello everyone, welcome back to the ultimate series of data science. In this video lecture series, we will going to discuss about neural networks. So, we will explore their structures, functions and the real world applications of neural networks. Without any further delay, let's begin. So, introduction to our neural networks. First, inspired by the brains. Neural networks are inspired by brains. Neural networks basically are computational model that mimic the structure and the function of human brain. Neural network is basically derived from the human brain. It mimics the structure and functionality of human brain. It is inspired by our human brain. Second, interconnected nodes. They consist of interconnected nodes or neurons that process and transform information. Third one, learning from data. Neural networks learn from data by adjusting the connections between neurons, improving their performance over time. Let's move to our next topic. Anatomy of a neural network. There are three mainly layers that works on neural network. First is input layer. Receives raw data such as images, text or numerical values. Each node represents a specific feature. Second layer is hidden layer. Perform complex calculation and feature extraction. Hidden layers is responsible for performing complex calculations and multiple hidden layers can be used for deeper learning. Third is output layer. It produces the network application or decision based on the processed information. The output layer is used to show the output of a neural network. Let's move to the next topic. Activation functions and their importance. First is non-linearity. Activation functions introduce non-linearity into the network, allowing it to learn complex patterns in data. Second is decision boundaries. They help define decision boundaries, enabling the network to classify data into different categories. Types of activation functions. Example include sigmoid, ReLU, 10H and softmax, each with its own characteristics and use cases. Let's move to the next one. Feed-forward neural network forward propagation. First, input processing. The input layer receives data and passes it to the first hidden layer. Second is hidden layer calculation. Each hidden layer applies activation function to process information and pass it to the next layer. Third one is output generation. An output layer produces the final prediction based on the processed information. Let's move to the next topic. So, what is backpropagation? Training neural networks including three major keys. First is error calculation, the difference between the network prediction and the actual values. Second, gradient descent, adjust the weights of connection to minimize the error. Third is iteration process, repeats forward propagation, errors calculation and weight updates. Let's move to the next topic. So, what is the practical applications of neural networks? So, first is image recognition. The basic and the most useful application of neural network is image recognition. It identifies object in scenes image, powering self-driving cars and medical diagnosis. Second is speech recognition, converting spoken language into text, virtual assistant and voice search transcriptions. Third is machine translation, translating text between languages, real-time communication and international businesses. So, how to implement neural networks in Python? Python offers powerful libraries such as TensorFlow and PyTorch, providing tools for building, training and deploying neural networks. So, let's move to the conclusion and future advancement. First, ubiquitous AI. Neural networks are transforming industries from healthcare to finance. Continuous evolution. Ongoing research focuses on improving network efficiency, reducing bias and enhancing capabilities. Ethical considerations. Ensuring responsible use of AI, addressing privacy and fairness concerns. I hope you understand each topic carefully. So, please make sure you video like, share, subscribe and comment.